Today I'm going to be making an easy buffalo chicken mac and cheese. First I'm going to do some prep, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of cooked chopped chicken. Next I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of buffalo sauce and then mix this up until the chicken is coated in the buffalo sauce and then put this to the side for later. Next I'm going to make the topping for the mac and cheese, so in a bowl I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter and then I'm going to add 8 crushed up Ritz crackers and add that to the bowl and mix that up until it's combined and then put that to the side too for later. Now I'm going to make the mac and cheese, so I have 1 pot of boiling water. Next I'm going to add 1 box of Velveeta shells and cheese and cook that according to the box directions. Once the pasta was done cooking, I drained it and put it back in the pot. Next I'm going to add the cheese that came with the shells and cheese. Then add 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Next add the buffalo chicken. Mix that up until everything is combined. Next I'm going to add the mac and cheese into a 9-inch pan and spread it out. Next I'm going to sprinkle the cracker topping on top and then put this in the oven for 10 minutes. Once it was done I served it up and here's an up close look.